Welcome to Powder Valley Conservation Center. This is truly a hidden gem in South St. Louis County. So, tag along with me as we look around a little bit. Nestled inside South St. Louis County, Powder Valley Conservation Center is a tranquil haven where nature enthusiasts of all ages can connect with the great outdoors. If you haven't been here before, I would highly recommend it. And one of the best parts about it, it's totally free. Inside the center, you'll find an array of educational exhibits, including interactive displays on local wildlife, plant life, and the historical significance of the area. It's a great place for families to learn more about the natural world that surrounds them. There's even a giant treehouse downstairs, but I didn't get to visit it this day. One of the standout features of Powder Valley is its extensive network of hiking trails. There are several trails to choose from, each offering a unique adventure. One trail that you do not want to miss is the Tangled Vine Trail. It's cool. The outside restrooms are easy to access and are located at the beginning of the trailheads. The Tanglevine Trail winds through the conservation area's lush forest, providing a peaceful and immersive experience in nature. This trail is perfect for families as it's relatively short and offers opportunities for kids to engage with the environment around them. Just a little bit down the trail and you'll understand why it's called Tanglevine Trail. They are everywhere.